I just picked up this Yup Mini baby bike seat off OfferUp, and I'm going to go ahead and try to put it on my full suspension mountain bike. I was originally planning on getting a rear mounted baby seat, but with everything going on with the rear suspension geometry and all that, I feel like it'd be hard to do, and there's not much room in the middle to get a seat post mounted one. So that's why I ended up going with this. This Yup Mini will mount right in between the handlebars and the seat. I also got it came with this threadless handlebar, or a threadless head tube adapter, I mean. But there's not much room in between my stem and here. I think if I move this up and bring this spacer down here, there might be enough room. This bike got a lot of room in between the stem and the frame, but it would work really good on this bike. So once you loosen those two bolts and you get the top cap off, it'll just slide off like this. Okay, and then now try to put that on. So I got it on. I'm not sure how good it's going to work because on a stump jumper the head angle is so slanted that it makes the seat go far back, so your stomach's probably going to be rubbing on it when you're riding the bike. I don't know, it might work though. I ended up taking off these because with these on, the bike won't steer all the way. It actually will hit the frame. So as you can see, when I put this on, it'll turn and then hit right there when it's only turned about that much. So it's not much at all. But with them off, you got full turning. You can turn it all the way. My son's only about 7 months, so I don't think his feet would even reach those anyways, so it kind of works out for right now. And the reason why they hit on the bike is because this fork tube doesn't go up very high. So if this piece here was mounted higher up, then those metal bars that come out of here would be, they kind of taper outwards. So the farther up this thing is sitting, the less chance that they're going to hit this. But since mine's so low, that's why it hits it when it's only turned about this much. Now if I was to mount this on that bike, there's so much more room on that head tube. It sticks out. I would just mount this all the way to the top of it, and I highly doubt that the leg parts will hit it. They'll probably hit it when you're almost full lock on that one. So we might end up just taking this off and putting it on that bike, because I think it'll work a lot better. I mean, this is obviously a full suspension. It's not meant for stuff like this, but it's actually on there. Everything went on just fine. There's two holes down here at the bottom for this piece that goes over the stem. Surprising that worked out really perfect. It fits right there, right in the middle of it, and it goes right down perfect to the little holes. It's just the only thing is if I'm going to use those foot things, I'm going to have to go to the bike shop and buy a couple more headset spacers and maybe put one or two more of them right here to bring this up, and then that'll give me more clearance for those foot things. But then that'll bring the stem farther away from this fork tube, so I'll have a little space like that. So I mean, that's not the best thing to do, but that'll work. That'll raise it up a little bit more. But I think I'm going to go ahead and put them on and we'll try it out and see how it looks. So this is how it looks when he's sitting in it. So he's just about to turn 7 months and he fits perfect in there. I got these strapped down pretty good. He looks comfortable. His feet don't look like they really need the feet things, but he looks fine. You ready to go on a ride? Alright. Here we go. Come out to the street so you can see us. Ready, Boo Boo? I think I'm happier than he is. Well, seems perfect. He looks happy. Eventually he'll realize he can hold on to this thing if he needs to, but yeah, it's cool. How does he look?
Perfect.
Is this fun, Boo Boo?
He just looks like he's chilling. He's just chilling, huh?
Ready? Well, as you can see, it looks like my son likes it so far. And it's pretty cool because we got the comforts of the dual suspension. It's pretty awesome. Can't wait to go on a ride. Ta-da!